Okay, I want to talk to you about our math lesson today. You have some collections that you've gathered and you counted yesterday using a 10 frame. Today we're going to talk about how to count collections and keep track of big collections without a 10 frame. So you're not going to use your 10 frame today. And look at what I'm going to use. This is something that I just happen to have, and these are my, sorry, somebody just came to my door. These are my Jollyphonics letters. And so I want to count how many there are, just so I know how many I have. And it's a lot. And I don't have a 10 frame, and I don't have a hundredths chart. So how can I keep track of the numbers that I have counted? Well, there's a lot of different ways, but there's a very simple way. And one of the simple ways I can do is I can just do this. I can move them all over the side. And remember, one of the ways that we can count and keep track is we can move them out of the pile. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have a pile of 10. I'm going to move my pile of 10 and put it over there. It's out of the way, but it's a pile of 10. I'm going to count another pile of 10. I don't want to keep counting because I know I'll lose track. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's another pile of 10 right here. And I'm going to move my pile of 10 over here. I'll show you all my piles when I'm done. Now I'm going to count another pile of 10. I'm going to count 1, 2, let me count where you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's a pile of 10 right there. I'm going to take this pile of 10, I'm going to scoot it over here so that I've got 30 pile of 10s. So I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to count my 10s though. I can go back and count them all up after I separate them into piles of 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm going to count my 10. I'm going to take this pile of 10s right here, and I'm going to move it over here. Guys, can you go down and get the door? 1. I'm going to count another pile of 10 out. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. John. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to take this pile here and I'm going to put it there. All right, I'm going to count another pile of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to put that pile there. I got a lot of piles of 10 right now. Okay, let's look at this. I have a pile of all these piles of 10. And then I have a pile of something here, which is a lot more than 10. All right, so I am going to keep counting. And Big Fancy wants to count with me. He's trying to decide what I'm doing because he likes all these piles of 10. He's checking it out. All right, we're going to count. Fancy and I are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to move this pile of 10 over here. I've got lots of groups of 10 here, but I still have more. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to move it over here. Another pile of 10. All right, do you think I have 10 left or more than 10? What do you think, just looking at that? Give me an estimate. I think more than 10, maybe even more than 20. All right, let's start. We'll count 10 more out and see what we think. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's another group of 10. And let's look at what's left. Do you think there's more than 10 or less than 10? I think more than 10 too, but not a lot more than 10. Probably not 20. What's your thinking? Okay, let's see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here's what's left. Is there 10 left? No. So we're going to leave that pile over here. Let's separate it so we can see it easily because they're magnets and they stick together. And we're going to count on when we get to there. All right, so I'm going to pick you up. I'm going to pick my camera up and we're going to count. What do you think we're going to count by? Because we have piles of what? 10. So we're going to count by 10s. Are you ready? You see them all. Let's go back. There they all are. All right, ready? We've got, let's start up in the corner there. 10, 20, 30, count with me, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have just more than 100. I have 100 altogether plus those extra ones. 100. Now we're going to count on 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. I have 106 Jolly Phonics letters. Whoa, that's a lot of Jolly Phonics letters that I have. So here's your job. If you have a collection that's less than 30, if it's more than 30, great job. If it's less than 30, go find something else to count. And here's some ideas. You can get some cornflakes, you can get some rice, you can get some stones, you can get some dried beans, you can get a box of paper clips. If mommy has or daddy have a box of paper clips, that's a great thing to count. And you're going to make piles of 10, and then you're going to count by 10s and show it to me. Once you've done that, send me your number. And then I want you, just like you did yesterday, I want you to write the number, circle it, and I want you to write one less and one more. So my number would be 106. That's my number. I would circle that. And then for less than, I would have 105. And no, for less than and for more than, I would have 107. Okay? Your turn. Love you. Have a wonderful day.